Hey guys, Alan from CrewFire here, and I'm super excited to share with you that the CrewFire re-platform and rebuild that we announced earlier this week is going live on Monday, this coming Monday, November 16th, and it's going to be super exciting. Now, we have been quality testing it and bug testing it throughout the week, and we will continue to test it throughout the weekend to make sure that when we go live, there will be as few and as little bug reports and issues as possible. But we wanted to get out in front of this. It's possible that when we go live on Monday, there might be some small things that have slipped through the cracks, some things with the transition that might have slipped through the cracks. So we want to be on top of these things as quickly as possible, and we'd love to enlist your support and help. If you're watching this video on the CrewFire blog, below there's a type form that's embedded where when we go live on Monday, you can report any issues that you experience. Same thing if you're watching this video on YouTube, there's a link in the description below back to the CrewFire blog. There'll be a form there where you can report any issues that you encounter. We're going to be all hands on deck through the launch on Monday and throughout the week. We think that most of the major issues, like there won't be any major issues, but it might be small little things, maybe UI or UX bugs or tweaks that need to occur. But our developers will be on hand, on deck, making sure that everything runs as smoothly as possible and any issues get resolved super fast. It's super exciting. Again, if you missed the last announcement, we are making this platform transition because we wanted to shift from a programming language called Golang into another programming language called JavaScript, and the JavaScript ecosystem is much more developed. There's much more talent, and we can move a lot faster going forward. So after this replatforming this week, and once the kinks have all been ironed out, you can expect a lot more updates at a really fast pace, including mobile apps and dashboard updates for admins, much more data and stats, a deeper integration with Shopify, surfacing much more data, and a better, more friendly and faster user interface for the ambassadors. We're super excited. We're setting up to close 2020 super strong and start incredibly strong for 2021, and we're excited to be building and growing alongside of you. So yeah, as we launch on Monday, again, feel free to report any issues. You can contact your account manager, Taylor, directly, or hit the form below with any issues again, and we will get to them as quickly as possible. So thank you so much, and we will see you on the inside. Bye.